Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you some unique accents, rims. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, park assist sensor shutoff, hazards, and traction control shutoff. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Down below you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space, and so that you can unfold your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.